I'm Rick Endershot. I work for Tarrytown Roofing. I'm a senior project manager. We're here today at the boss's house, James Kuntz. We're doing a full roof replacement. We're doing a bunch of extras that normally are not done with most roofing companies, but we take the extra mile. We do that for all our clients. Everybody gets the same treatment. We've got you covered.